How do you type in the required notes for this lesson? This time with radicals. So again, to type in radicals, you need to use the math editor for this tools right here. It's gonna be, okay, go to the math editor, this radical with X inside. So you click on that, the math editor will pop out. Click on inside the typing space. Now, let's say you want to type in the solution for C in the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. For C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So let's type in C is equal to the square root of A B squared plus B squared. You can see that the way you type exponent is you click on your base first, and then you click on the superscript function, pretty much the same as the basic superscript function. If you want to get it out of the radical, use your arrow key as well. All right, so that's quite easy. For example, you want to type a fraction with radical. For example, you know that cosine 60 degrees. You have this. If you want to access the neat symbols, okay, go to the symbols tab. You'll have the degree symbol there. Give you a neat, nice looking degree symbol. You have the pi, the triangle, the angle, little square, and some other infinity. Of course, the four fundamental operations right here. So you're gonna be cosine 60 degrees is equal to, you know that cosine 60 degrees, okay, if you don't know before, now you'll know, is equal to square root of 3. Square root of, okay, so I click the fraction first, and then I click the radical for the numerator, square root of 3 over 2. Cosine 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2. You click save. Now, a note for you guys, when you are typing, when you're doing the typing on your own, type using the math editor. Type your notes one line at a time. So save it one line at a time. Do not type it all in one go. The reason for that is because if you want to change some part of your notes, you want to be able to change it one line at a time, because the math editor inserts the image of your whatever you type in there as a single character. So if you decide you want to change some part of your formula or your expression, and you type it all in at one time, then you'll have to redo everything, because you cannot delete just part of it. You will have to delete all of it. So do your when you're using math editor, type it in one line at a time. Next up, more complicated expressions.